Previously on Roses and Daggers. Is everything alright? Joshua.
I have to go.
What happened?
Nothing happened. It's just... Look, it's morning. I was supposed to have left earlier. I've work and appointments back in Accra.
I understand. But you can have some breakfast before you go.
I'm sorry, Ceci. Look, it was great to see you again. But I really have to go.
Something happened.
Nothing happened.
What happened? Did he come?
Yes.
And
We stayed up for a while. Had a chat.
did he propose?
No.
Why? What is he waiting for?
That man is not free to pursue you.
Then why did he come?
Has he made any promises to you?
No.
See. So what do you hope for?
Anita didn't tell me you were coming. I would have prepared your cocoyam special.
That's because I didn't know he was coming.
Those pictures were taken by your phone. It's in your phone's camera. Annie, answer me. My patience is running thin here.
Babe, something is wrong. I don't know where these pictures are from. I don't even know this guy from Adam. You've got to trust me.
Zach, I think there's something going on here. Someone is trying to set your wife up.
So you want to tell me that the phone took the pictures by itself? Mom, the Holy Spirit didn't come here to take the pictures with her phone. So tell me, who took the pictures? Tell me!
I have said on countless occasions that I don't trust this girl. Why is she living here in the first place?
What's going on here?
Where were you yesterday?
I went out.
To where?
I don't understand the question.
What other language do you want me to say it in?
Where were you when you stepped out?
I went out to see a friend. Look, I'm sorry, but I feel like you are ganging up on me and I don't know what I've done. Really, like what's going on?
Who did you go to see?
A friend.
Which friend?
Annie,
Just answer it.
There's this guy I started seeing recently. So, I went to see him.
Did you take my phone with you?
What?
Whether by mistake or intentionally. To see this guy.
Of course not. No. Like, why would I take your phone?
So what were you doing in my room on your return?
Annie, I brought you grapes.
Yes, grapes. And what else?
What else? Annie, you must explain, like, what is this about, really?
How do we know whether you are telling the truth or not?
About what? The phone, the visit, the grapes, what?
Both.
Well, I don't know.
I'm sorry. You have to do better than that.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How may I help you, please?
Please, I'm looking for Mr. Joshua.
His full name, please. Is he expecting you?
No, not really.
Okay. Can you please have a seat and wait for him for a while if you wish to?
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
please have
you.
a seat. You're welcome.
Look, this is who I went out to meet with yesterday. Look.
This is not the same guy on the phone.
Still, Anita, someone is trying to set you up. How did the phone travel on its own from your room? And you were home the whole day.
But what? When I was going out yesterday, you had your phone. Your mother had gone to the market and you were chatting with Valerie.
Hey, when I came back, Valerie had gone and she was still here.
So you are trying to tell me that none of you can assure me that Anita didn't go out or was here with somebody?
Zach.
What are you trying to say? That I brought another man into our bed? That isn't even our bed.
Oh, so you went out with him then?
Zach, where are you going?
Mom, I need time to clear this madness.
Zach.
What is it, Mom? You asked me to exercise patience, which I did. I managed to calm down to see the outcome. And so far, there is no reasonable explanation to this.
Annie, listen. Please tell me, what can I do to help?
Get me a cab.
Where are you going?
I need to go to the hospital. Get me a cab, Winifred. I need to calm my system. I need to go to the hospital.
But you can just lie down, you.
Winifred, would you get me a cab or I should do that myself?
Of course I can get it, sure.
Anita.
Mom.
Anita, you need to tell me the truth.
Mom, I didn't do anything.
It's okay.
Mom.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. It's not good for the baby. Stop crying. It's okay.
You already have 100 cards between you and Dad. God knows Dad is not bringing anybody else. Mommy, you can't bring all your friends to the wedding. If you like, I could call them personally and apologize on your behalf.
Why are you being so ungenerous with this wedding?
I just want to stick to the 500 people. I even wish I could reduce it.
Why do you want to do that? I don't understand.
I just want it to be intimate. Having a large wedding sometimes gets overhand. You can have a second party if you want. I know Margarine would.
Oh yes, I know her so well. So, I've been waiting for you to ask me what you want for your wedding.
What I want?
Yes. My daughter is getting married and I want to give her the perfect gift.
Why don't you surprise me?
Oh, you know I'm not good with surprises.
And you know I would appreciate anything that comes from here. So,
Hey, you know I love you so much.
I know, me too.
So can I have the extra 50 card?
No.
Would you
No.
please?
Mom, no. 500 and that's it.
I am sorry, Ma. I am so sorry.
You are 30 minutes late.
The car will not just get full. And it was stopping at almost every bus stop. I'm sorry, Ma. Chosky is so frustrating.
Okay. Next time, make sure you come earlier than this, please.
Yes, Ma.
Come in. Please have a seat.
That won't be necessary. This won't be a long visit.
Okay. How may I help you?
I'm here to report one of your staff.
What's the issue?
So listen, she can't see anybody. I don't want you to let anyone in to see her without my permission first. Except, of course, it's medical staff coming to give her some medical care. Is that clear?
Yes, Mom.
She needs absolute rest. Do you understand? Alright then, thank you.
You're welcome.
Annie, what is this? Why are you out of bed? What are you doing out of bed? My dear, you know you need to be in bed. You can't be like this. Please come. Oh, sweetheart. Look at you. Oh.
Winnie, please, could you call Val for me?
I'm sorry, but the doctor said...
I need her, please.
Oh, Annie. I really wish I could. But I promised the doctor I won't let anyone see you until you are calm and collected. So what you need to be doing right now is get into bed and get all the rest you can get. Here. Let's get you into bed. Good girl. Oh, you're gonna be fine. Just relax. All the stress is not good for you. It's not good for the baby. And your BP too is very high. Breathe. Just relax. Take it easy. Try and take deep breaths. Try and calm down, okay? Calm down.
I'm sorry, madam. You have to leave now.
But can't you see I'm trying to calm her down?
She's been given something to calm her down. And if you're here, she's not going to sleep. Please.
Okay, if you insist.
Thank you.
Sweetheart, I have to go now. But I promise I'll come back and see you tomorrow, okay? Just remember to rest and relax. Try and get some rest, okay? I'll come back and see you later. Hello?
Winifred?
Yes, it's me. Please, where are you?
Why?
Hello?
What is it?
I'd rather tell you in person.
I'm driving right now. Let me get to the hotel and I'll send you a location.
Okay, thanks.
I'll check back in. I'm too tired to get back onto the road. Let's pray that they still have rooms for you two.
I'm trying to check for you. I'll call you back. Okay, alright, bye.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
Room 27, please.
Okay, sir. Okay, there you go, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. You have a guest.
Guest?
Yes, please. There she is.
Can I have my room? 109.
Okay. Excuse me, sir.
Sorry.
There you go.
Can I have some water, please? Thank you.
What are you doing here?
I tried calling you, but it wasn't going through.
Ceci, it's a 4-hour journey. I mean, you just don't hop into the next car and travel all the way here just because you couldn't reach me.
Why did you come to my village? Why did you come to see me?
I needed to know you were going to be okay.
Why?
Look, I picked you from here. You were hurt. I mean, and you were facing problems. Ceci, I just needed to know if you're going to be okay. And now that you're okay, I don't have to check on you anymore.
Why are you doing this? I can't believe this. I can't live the rest of my days like this. Joshua, tell me right now if I should forget. I need to know because this is killing me. I haven't done this before. You may have to help me.
Hi, John.
Yeah, come back. Come back. Where are you going?
Please let me see her for a second.
No, no one is authorized to go in. Besides, she's sleeping. Why do you want to see her?
She might be awake.
No, even before you came. Kofi was here. He said, administrator wants to see you. So go and see her instead. Go.
Yep. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Yes.
She's back in the hospital.
So?
Her condition is really precarious. I'm just afraid of what would happen if you go on like this. Zach.
You know what, I came here to have some time and think. Okay? I'm sorry I can't do this right now.
Zach. I know you're hurt.
You know nothing.
Oh, I do. I know how it feels like to be betrayed by the one person you think you trust so much.
So you think she betrayed me?
Well, I can't give Annie up like that. You know, she's been everything to me. She's like my friend, my sister. I can't give her up.
So there's something you are withholding from me.
Zach, just come home, Zach. It's always good to have you in the house. You bring a sense of stability, security, and strength. I know you're hurting right now, but I can make you feel so much better. Hmm?
Winifred, I really want to be alone. Right now, okay? And thank you so much for passing by.
Zach, you should not be alone. You really shouldn't. Look, if you don't want to come home with me, why don't I stay and keep you company? How about that?
No. That won't be necessary.
Just let me.
Please.
Are you sure? Are you very sure? Brat. Hey.
Hi.
Why are you sitting there? Are you okay? You're doing that thing again.
What?
Acting strange. Are you worried because of who I am?
What do you mean?
I'm not rich like you. Maybe.
Stop it.
Then what is it? You're not married. There's no ring on your finger.
Ceci, there's someone else. I'm engaged to be married. I'm sorry.
That is why. That is why you've been so distant. Please hand me my clothes.
Ceci.
I can't do this naked.
Ceci. Ceci.
And I so shamelessly threw myself at you.
Ceci, please give me a second. This is different.
How different? I don't blame you. She's probably some beautiful, rich, intelligent girl. And I haven't even started my dressmaking training yet. Why did I even think this would work?
Stop competing with her. Okay? You're perfect.
Perfect. Look at me.
Let me help you get back to school. It's the least I can do.
No. I don't want to be further indebted to you. Please book me a room. I'll be on my way tomorrow.
Take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no one. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my sissy. Hey, your bride.